Now, we can add more words to these sentences. And let me show you what they are. We can use these three to add more information. So here we go. Here's the first one. Some. Some. Now, we can use it in a positive statement, negative, or a question. Okay? Some. Any is only used in negative or questions. Okay? Any. And no is only for negative. Okay? Some, positive, negative questions. Any, negative or questions. No, negative. No, negative. Okay? All right. Now, here come some examples. All right. Now, there are some bedrooms in my house. There are some bedrooms in my house. Here's the question. Are there some bedrooms in your house? Are there some bedrooms in your house? I hope so. Yes, there are. Are there some bedrooms in your house? Yes, there are. Okay? Another one. Are there any bedrooms in your house? Okay, so remember, any can be used in a question. Are there any bedrooms in your house? And you can say, yes, there are. Or, for a very strange house, no, there aren't. Okay? Are there any bedrooms in your house? Yes, there are. No, there aren't. Okay, there aren't any bedrooms in my house. So here we have negative, negative. There aren't any bedrooms in my house. And then finally, we can say there are no bedrooms in my house. There are no bedrooms in my house. So notice here we have there aren't any. There are no. Okay? So a little bit different. But the same information. There's a very strange house. Okay, now let's practice. And here is a picture of an apartment. Now, Ali, you ask Susan some questions about this apartment.
Susan, is there a kitchen?
Yes, there is.
Yes, there is a kitchen.
How many bedrooms are there?
There are 3 bedrooms.
Bedrooms. There are 3 bedrooms. 1, 2, 3 bedrooms.
Is there a dining room?
Yes, there is.
Yes, there is a dining room.
How many bathrooms are there?
There are 2 bathrooms.
There are 2 bathrooms. All right?
Is there a basement?
No, Ali, there is no basement.
Okay, good. Now, let's look at this photo. And Susan, you ask Isabel.
Isabel, is this your house?
No, I don't live in a villa.
How many bedrooms are there?
There are 6 bedrooms.
Oh, there are 6 bedrooms. Okay.
How many bathrooms are there?
There are 8 bathrooms.
There are 8 bathrooms. All right?
Is there a dining room?
Yes, there is a big dining room.
There is a big dining room. Okay?
Is there a living room?
Yes, there are 2 living rooms.
There are 2 living rooms. Okay?
Is there a kitchen?
Yes, there is a big kitchen.
Yes, there is a big kitchen.
Is there a garden?
Yes, there is. It's beautiful.
Okay, there is a beautiful garden.
There is a swimming pool too.
Oh, and there is a swimming pool too. Oh, Isabel, is this a nice house?
Oh, yes.
All right. Now, Isabel, ask Ali about the next place.
Ali, is this your house?
No, it isn't.
How many bedrooms are there?
There are 3 bedrooms.
There are 3 bedrooms, okay?
Is there a garden?
Yes, there is.
Okay, there is a garden.
Is there a kitchen?
Yes, there is.
Okay, there is a kitchen.
How many bathrooms are there?
There are 2 bathrooms.
All right, there are 2 bathrooms.
Is there a basement?
Yes, there is.
All right, there is a basement. All right, good job. Now it's time to look and listen.
Look and listen.
Is there a kitchen in your house? Yes, there is. Are there 2 kitchens in your house? No, there aren't. Is there 1 bedroom in your house? No, there isn't. There are 2 bedrooms.